3 team left. People here. Yes, fuck.
Ain't no watch.
Bro, I got sniped, bro.
On my body, on my body. Man, behind you, Green.
I seen.
Oh,
what I did to him.
Bro, beat me up, bro.
They up the hill. Circle coming back to them.
Come on, beat me up right now, bro. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
Somebody look, somebody watch.
2 team left. You're good, go. Right here, trying to push us.
Right here. Yeah.
Yeah, we're good, bro. One guy left. Bro, or it's bottom.
Right there, my team.
Yeah, we ain't gonna kill me, boy. We're gonna fuck you up. I'm sorry, but you gotta go. He's right there. Ooh, on the truck, bro. Fuck him up, bro. You prick.
Where y'all going?
Where you at?
Bro, he's on the bottom, bro.
He coming up the hill.
Right here, this side. Yeah, right there. Yeah, see what I'm saying? Easy peasy. Yeah, look at it. Ah, you don't know where to go, bro. You got paranoid. Hey, nice stuff, Chi. Random, which I may call.
Boy, nah, your ass been recruited, boy. We can see you in church.
Hell yeah, Chi, y'all. $15 is nice. Redeploy 19, bro. I was stuck. Yo, how the hell I'm 19? Yeah, that's wrong. I think I died only one time. What the hell? Y tortilla na giyan. Muna takot. So you guys know this naman ako. So y'all, you ready to smack some people? Ready to win, y'all. I'm ready to win. I just win my last one with 15 kills. Make it 20. I'm trying to make it 20, y'all. Alright, 052, I am going straight to Stronghold.
his wife hired a private investigator. What he's been doing. So she took pictures of all stuff. And she's the one that's representing his wife.
Going strong, go.
Yeah, come on.
I'm listening.
I'm here.
That sounds like actual drama.
You can buy a load up real quick right there, y'all. I mean, whatever you guys like. I'm a random guy again. Hey, I just need 1,000.
Save it. Trying to get low.
Yeah, bro. What you thought? Oh, you got it already. Alright, that's what's up. Alright, I got UAV. One down.
Bro, what the fuck, bro?
How you kill you, man? You got spatialists, bro.
Yo, go ground.
Yes.
Got my shit. How you kill you, bro?
The same shit. Oh, he's good, bro. Focus.
There's new ones right here, $24, $25. And then she said these are pre-owned, they were $40.
Pre-owned, yeah, don't need no crazy. I mean, it's not horrible difference. But those white ones look like they burn like a 65. Yeah, those look great. Let me see what the plugs look like.
The controller's messed up? Oh, no, the controller's fine. Yeah. You also have 2 weeks to bring it back to keep something to do.
Wait, yeah, that's fine. That one should be perfect for him.
Slightly better. These are slightly better. It's okay. Let's go with it.
Yeah, he don't really take care of that.
I'm done.
Yes, but what the hell? Cái dư huynh kia của em tôi nói cái kia là được huynh kia game. Yo. Check or check. Check or check, bro. Makin daw eh. Hey, why doing this? Like, where's the social? Like, we have to come over alone? Like, that's the only way. BNI. BNI. Nah, I'm gonna go play Moldy.
I'm shutting on lag. Yeah.
On. Okay.
Right now, Wi-Fi is going, man.
Been connecting it direct mo. Yes, ka ban wo.
Wait.
Ban connecting na ye. Kaya kapit sa siya. Piye nga search le. At by back out basan.
Of cam game da men kört lag pen about.
Back out nigga. Nga.
Big.
Wala ako piye nga. 15 kills.
Yes. Về, ngay xuống news.
Am chứ? I might not envelope nigga home screen not take 3 seconds. Now have a look. Hindi pa setting on problem tayo like wait.
Setting pa ka.
Graphic 2 man. 120 albuno ba yun? Got pa nga dilalek. Got pa showing tayo. Connecting. Searching na connecting. Ay ganda. Anong sa siya mga yun? Pangay. Achievem tech search. Yan siya nga. Kaya falakin lapi nga. Lapi siya kat wiya. Chola lagi piyeng. Napapalapi siya. Mati siya pa chola. What the?
Nó ngay như gạch chìm rồi bia nữa. Tôi sẽ nó.
Kung dahil hotspot ko wifi na.
Wifi. Ego.
Kila kung hotspot.
May hotspot siya naman baro.
Hotspot nice lo. Ngayon ko. What? Sige leave na ice buffalo.
Alright.
Telephone na leave ko. Na phone na close application. Close application buffalo.